noticed a lot of channels do vlogs, and I'm not really sure what a vlog is, a video log. In my mind, I hear the word video log, and I think of like a video of a piece of poop in the toilet, because it's the video in the log, vlog. But that's just, well, brainy, weirdo side of me. But no, I think I want to start like a vlog thing, just talking about stuff. Right now, the only topic I can think of, and I'm lying when I say this because you probably said I could talk all day long on here, which I probably could. I have a channel just me yakking away about shit. But this one's tool related. I don't understand why. In Canada, I go to Home Depot, and the weed whacker, an electric weed whacker, what I buy, which takes DeWalt batteries like this. I don't understand why. It's $400. Or almost, it's 300 and something. Tax and all that shit. Over $300. I go on Instagram, Amazon. It's $167, the tax $180, free shipping. You get a whippersnipper, you will get a charger, and you get a 4 amp hour battery for $180. You factor in the exchange at 25%, so that's about 200 and maybe what, 220. That's for the exchange. 220. Let's just be safe. 2.25. The other one's 300 plus whatever. Then I go to Runnings, and the weed whacker, just the weed whacker, is $129. And I'm going, okay, I could use the $129 because I have battery. But if I buy the one for $180, I'm getting a free battery, 4 amp hour battery, and a charger. This battery over here costs more than a damn drill. But I'm getting a battery and a charger, and the thing is literally more than a drill. I paid, I bought a 4-pack at Runnings of these batteries, and it was on sale, $174. There was a 4 amp, there was a 5 amp, a 4 amp, and I think 2 3 amp batteries for less than the price of one of these. This is a 18 volt, but just to show you. And I'm like, how come the batteries are cheap? Like literally, you wait till they're on sale or get a tool. They're literally throwing batteries at you. Same thing, the little cordless orbital sander there I bought. My wife bought them. It was $99. The orbital sanders are about the same price. Here they're $139. In the States they're $99. Just the tool by itself. But went to where was it? I don't know if it was Runnings or where did I get it at Runnings? Yeah, it might have been at Runnings. Oh, on sale. $99. With a 4 amp hour battery. Again, it's like a $200 battery. Here, you can't even, they won't even throw a battery in. They might be like, oh, half price for battery, $100. Same thing, I bought an angle grinder. Angle grinder, same price here in the US. Got it on sale with a battery thrown in. So why do I have so many batteries? Like, I don't have a lot of them, but I mean, it's like, why? We just live over there. It's, well, you know, but everything in Canada, it's like that. Even with inflation lately, like everything is raised price, but the Canadian prices are here and the American prices are down here. Like eggs. You buy a $3 carton of eggs in the US, which is about what, $3.90 Canadian, and you go over here and it's what, $6 for a carton of eggs. Butter is a little bit closer, and it just gets worse and worse. And I'm like, taxes. That's why people tell me, oh, it's not cheaper to shop in the States. It is cheaper for some things, and it's not cheaper. There's even shit that's made in Canada, sold to the US, that's cheaper in the US. There's a kayak place that makes kayaks over here. Well, here the kayaks were $700, and you went to Dick's over the border, they're $329. And they were all sold out here, but they're made over here. And the border was like, you're re-importing kayaks that were made in Canada back to Canada? I said, yeah. Because even when they charged me the tax on the border, the re-imported them was still cheaper. And we couldn't find them during the pandemic. So, crazy, eh? So that's the fun life of living in north of upstate New York. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.